Let's make the perfect éclair dough, step by step. We start by placing a saucepan with water on medium heat. We add a pinch of salt, sugar, and the butter. We wait for the mixture to come to a full boil until the butter is completely melted and the liquid is bubbling. Then, we remove the saucepan from the heat and immediately add all of the flour at once. We stir vigorously with a wooden spoon. The flour will absorb the liquid quickly. We return the saucepan to low heat and continue stirring for about 2 more minutes. This dries out the dough and forms a smooth ball that pulls away from the sides of the pan. Next, we transfer the hot dough into a separate bowl and let it cool down for a few minutes, just until it's no longer steaming hot. Now, we begin adding the eggs. It's very important to add them one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition until the egg is fully incorporated and the dough becomes smooth and glossy before adding the next one. We continue until all the eggs are added. The perfect éclair dough should be smooth, thick, and fall slowly from the spoon when lifted, forming a V shape. We transfer our dough into a piping bag fitted with a large round tip. We pipe straight lines of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. We bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 to 35 minutes. The key is not to open the oven door early. We bake until the éclairs are puffed, golden brown, and perfectly dry and firm to the touch. We remove them from the oven and let them cool completely on a wire rack before filling them with our delicious pastry cream. And there you have it, the perfect, hollow éclairs ready for filling.